Jack, who is that? Who?
Tutu.
Oh.
Picture.
Yeah.
Star Wars.
Oh, excellent. Who are you showing Star Wars to?
Duh.
Oh, very good. What are you going to tell them about Star Wars? Oh, you need to get the remote?
Bill.
Oh, does Tio need the wheel? Oh.
I will too. Star Wars. Star Wars.
Do you need the wheel for Star Wars?
No.
Oh, I think you already put Star Wars in the container.
Huh?
I think you already put Star Wars back in the case. It's right here in the case.
Star Wars. That's Star Wars.
Turn it over. That's not Star Wars. That was a Wii Sports Resort. You want a sword fight?
Toto like it.
Tio likes it? What else does Tio like?
Star Wars.
Star Wars. Who's his favorite Star Wars character?
Star Cheetah.
Who?
Cheetah.
Cheetah? Cheetah's not a Star Wars character. Who's his favorite Star Wars character?
Toto like it.
Yeah, who does Tio like? Does he
Football.
Football? I bet he does like football.
Red team.
He likes the red team. You are right. How about Chewbacca? Does he like Chewbacca or does he like R2-D2?
R2.
He does like R2. Who do you like?
FIFA. FIFA.
Who's that?
FIFA.
I don't know who that is. Is that like Boba Fett? Oh, very exciting.